Hey everyone, so I'll give you a little preview of what you just watched in this thread, in this sub, okay? So I'm just going to quickly place this particular bender, then we're going to recreate the metal one and you can see how to use our system, okay? So I'm just going to place AR, and we'll show the animated shadows as well. Let me just share the phone actually. All right, so if you watch Bender, you can see the, let me just rotate this a little better. You can see the shadow actually animating on the ball. Just 1 second. There we go. So nice and subtle, right? But you can see it moving. All right, so let's recreate the metallic bender. So all you have to go is go to studio.worldcast.io. I'll just refresh this here so we can go right from scratch. So this is all web-based. This is all WebAR for iOS and Android. So all you have to go in this particular case is pick Showcast. This is our slam-based studio. And you can just pick Freemium. And we'll just call this Bender, or we'll call this Bite My Shiny Metal Ass. And we'll say we want to be like, we'll just put it at 6 feet for now in the environment, and I'll talk about how this works. But let's go create. So once you set this to feet, meters, centimeters, inches, each one of these, depending on what you have it set to, these tiles will be based on that. So right now, each tile represents a foot. I'm just going to go to Sketchfab. You can upload your own one custom model, or you can go to Sketchfab and just grab from the library here. We'll just grab Bender, the shiny one. Let's just grab this one by Milton. We'll go import. So he's coming at 6 feet, but I think I'll make him at 5.8. Forget what his actual size is. Make sure it's 0 on the ground plane. I'll just move him over here. I'm just going to add some text for fun real quick and show you something else. Actually, let's just add our, let's go text. You can add animated models, obviously, as well. You can give it a name for analytics and stuff like that, but I'm just doing this really fast. I'm just going to go, hi, Reddit. And we'll just make this a little bit more thick, and we'll just get a different color, maybe blue. Rotate it up. I don't like that color. Let's just go a little bit darker. All right, just make it smaller. Put it up beside his head. I can put a spin on it if I want to. You can put obviously multiple objects. You can see your data size down here. Right now the scene is only 474 kilobytes. I'm just going to go save and publish. On iOS, it'll take a few. Android will be instant, but on iOS, it could take up a couple minutes, especially if you have animation, as it's converting to USDZ. So let's just scan this QR code. I'll share my phone so you can see what I'm doing again. Scan that QR code. All right, so now we have Bender. I'll place him in my environment. The real-time scanning is going to initialize. You can see that shadow is already there based on, and this only works, to be very clear, this only works, the shadow and those elements like this with segmentation and occlusion only work if the device has lidar, okay? If I was using Android, it would not have that feature. And we're bringing the, we're going to make it for time of flight coming up here, and we're going to bring in some other elements as well, which I'll get into later. So I'll just bring this over. You can see how that shadow is now. Just make him bigger so he's on top. So that's how it works. You notice that the segmentation and occlusion, so if I take my hand, I can put my hand in front of the text, or I can put my hand, let's make this bigger. So I put my hand in front, or I put my hand behind. So there is no app to download. This isn't like Adobe Aero where you have to download an app. You can quickly create WebAR. This will be the example in Android. Let's just scan that QR code again. Let's go to our cast. We'll go create it, and we'll go Light my shiny metal ass just so I can scan that QR code. Oh, come on, seriously. Sorry about that. Let's just go simple. iOS has a really good QR code inline reader, native reader. All right. That's not our software. That's just the inline camera on the device. So here's the exact same thing, but we don't have the real-time reflections going on as we do in the iOS, which we will port over soon. A lot of other things look really fantastic. We're going to make it so you can change the environment reflection map as well, but you can make very fast scenes using WorldCAST. iOS with lidar is more cinematic. Let's just quickly go back to sharing that screen again. And look at that real-time reflections that we can generate. You can see the ball. There's my bookcase over here. There's my floor. You can see there's the couch. So that's how fast it is to create content within Studio at WorldCAST.io for SLAM. You have lots of different options. You have the ability to put images, text, audio, spatial audio, and one custom 3D object. Spatial audio is our $10 a month plan, but I'm not here to sell. I'm just ideally I want to show you how to create a lot of stuff for free and have fun. Anyway, there you go. That's how easy it is.